You're in your final exam. The question asks for the diagnosis of a patient with 25% bone loss and a smoking habit. Do you choose chronic periodontitis? Stop! That's an exam trap. Under the new 2017 classification, that terminology is gone. Today, we're crushing periodontology so you can ace your exam tomorrow.
Periodontology isn't just about cleaning teeth. It's about the foundation. We classify, we screen, and we treat. To win this exam, you need to master 3 pillars: the 2017 classification, the BPE, and the red complex bacteria. To keep the classification straight, use the building fire. Imagine you arrive at a house fire. Stage is the damage. How much of the building is already burnt? Grade is the speed. Is the fire smoldering slowly or a raging inferno? Damage equals stage, speed equals grade.
Staging tells us how bad the disease is right now. Exam Pearl, stage is always based on the worst affected tooth. Visualize a sinking submarine. Your tooth is a sub sinking into the bone mud. In stage 1, just the periscope is under, less than 15%. In stage 2, the upper deck is submerged, coronal 1/3. In stage 3, the sub is halfway under, mid 1/3. And in stage 4, it's sitting on the ocean floor. Periscope, deck, halfway, floor. Quick question. A patient has bone loss extending to the middle third of the root. What stage is it? The answer is C, stage 3. Just like our submarine, if it's halfway down into the mid-third, it's stage 3. Grading. Grading is the speed of the biological car. It's percentage bone loss divided by age. Exam trap. Only smoking and diabetes are officially used as risk modifiers in this grading system. Recall our building fire. A grade A fire is slow, less than 0.5. Grade B is a moderate house fire, 0.5 to 1.0. Grade C is a total inferno, greater than 1.0, moving at lightning speed. Grade equals speed. Clinical case 1. A 20-year-old patient presents with 40% bone loss. What is the grade? Do the math. 40 divided by 20 equals 2. Since 2 is much higher than 1.0, this fire is an inferno. Grade C. Exam Pearl. Always check the age. Bone loss divided by age equals grade. The basic periodontal examination is a fast screening tool using a WHO probe with a 0.5 millimeter ball end and a black band from 3.5 to 5.5 millimeters. Exam Pearl. Use a light force of 20 to 25 grams. Imagine you are a hiker in the pink mist. You are walking along the tooth. At code 1, a pink mist, bleeding, rises. At code 2, you trip over rocks, calculus. At code 3, you enter a canyon where the mist covers half your legs. At code 4, you fall into a bottomless pit and disappear. Mist, rocks, half submerged, gone. Question 2. The black band of the WHO probe is partly visible. What BPE code is this? The answer is C, code 3. Remember the hiker? If he's partly submerged, it's a 3. The red complex are the most aggressive bacteria in the biofilm: P. gingivalis, T. forsythia, and T. denticola. Meet the Red Mafia Gang. P. gingivalis is the Don. He calls the shots in the gingiva village. T. forsythia is the snake hiding in the grass. T. denticola is the driller. He's a spirochete who drills deep. But watch out for the Adolescent Assassin, or AA. He is young, fast, and aggressive. The Don, the snake, the driller, and the assassin. Question 3. Which bacterium is most associated with rapidly progressing periodontitis? The answer is B, AA, the Adolescent Assassin. Necrotizing ulcerative gingivitis, NUG, is a clinical emergency. Management, debridement plus Metronidazole 200 milligrams. Think of the punched-out boxer. He lost the fight and has punched-out papilla. He's so cold he pulls a gray blanket, pseudomembrane, over his gums. He's chewing on his bronze medal, metallic taste, and his breath smells like a locker room. For abscesses, remember the alive sidekick versus dead bottom up. A periodontal abscess tooth is alive, vital, and hurts when you push from the side, lateral. A periapical abscess tooth is dead, non-vital, and hurts when tapped from the bottom up, vertical. A live side, dead bottom. Clinical case number 2. A patient presents with severe pain, punched out papilla, gray pseudomembrane, and metallic taste. What is the diagnosis? That's our punched out boxer, NUC. Now, true or false? Most periodontal abscesses are associated with non-vital teeth? False. Periodontal abscesses are usually vital, sidekicks. Modified Widman flap, access for debridement only. Apically repositioned flap, for pocket elimination. GTR, guided tissue regeneration, to regrow bone, PDL, and cementum. GTR is like a garden fence. You want to grow sensitive flowers, bone, PDL, but aggressive weeds, epithelium keep invading. You put up a fence, barrier membrane to keep them out.
This works best in a 3-walled corner because the walls help protect your flowers on 3 sides. Fence the weeds out of the 3-walled corner. Clinical case number 3. A patient has a 3-walled intrabony defect. Which procedure has the best regenerative outcome? The answer is C, GTR. Remember the garden fence in the 3-walled corner.
Time to lock it all in with our final 2 hacks. For mobility, think of a wobbly fence post. Grade 1, iggles, slightly, less than 1 millimeter. Grade 2, sways back and forth, greater than 1 millimeter. Grade 3, you can lift it straight up and down, vertical. For CAL, clinical attachment level, think of the total hole. The PPD is the hole depth. Recession is the ground that washed away. Add them together to find the total damage. Iggles, sways, lifts, and washed away plus hole equals total.
Final countdown. BOP less than 10% means periodontal health. BPE code STAR means furcation involvement. Stage 1 is less than 15% bone loss. Grade C is greater than 1.0 progression. Metronidazole is for NUG. Question 1. What does BPE code STAR indicate? Answer: furcation involvement. Question 2. Which stage corresponds to bone loss reaching the apical third? Answer: stage 4. Question 3. What is the formula for CAL? Answer: CAL equals PPD plus recession. Question 4. Name the red complex bacteria. Answer: P. gingivalis, T. forsythia, T. denticola. Question 5. Which flap is primarily used for pocket elimination? Answer: apically repositioned flap.
The most important thing to remember? Periodontal disease is a journey from symbiosis to dysbiosis. Your job is to restore that balance. Review your building fire and sinking submarine tables one last time, and you'll crush that exam. Good luck, doctor.